Hello and welcome to the Philippines. I want to introduce you to Eddy'S Restobar in Lapu Lapu, Mactan. It's near Gaisano Grand Mall, and it's actually a bit of a food court area. So not only this place, but there's a look on the inside, and you got a pool table. They've got a singer or a band many nights. Eddy's Restorama. And as you go outside here, there's a pizza place, a burger place, a couple of other restaurants. Anyway, getting there, here is Gaisano Grand Mall,
Gaisano Grand.
and we got off. We came from the beach, and we got a ride this far, and we're going to grab a taxi or hobble motorbike taxi
What?
and go back home to Cebu City. But I remembered a couple expats had told me that there was a kind of a place foreigners hung out at down here, and I'd walked down here before, but I've never stopped in there. I saw where the place was. So anyway, this road has been under construction for a long time, off different parts of it, and it creates a little bit of a problem. There's a little bit of parking in that food court area, and I'll take you inside the resto bar and that food court area. We're stopping in. And parking, I don't know. Does Gaisano Mall have a parking ramp? I suspect that they do, but I'm not sure which side you're able to access it from. But that would be an option for parking, I would think, until they get to get this road fixed. By the way, I have over 1,000 videos up since 2015. I've done a lot of real estate, condominium, what are rental prices, what do you get for your price, how much do they cost. Done a lot of condominium and a few housing development videos, cost of living videos, travel videos, just fun videos, and anyway, uh, wouldn't wanna fall into that in the middle of the night. The lighting probably isn't too good around here, so be real careful walking. Anyway, I went into Eddy's Resto Bar, and I had a couple drinks. Everybody just really friendly as soon as I walked in, and met the owner in there, Pops. Really friendly, engaging guy. Had a long conversation with him, and interesting story that he has about how he was able to get the property and such. And here you have a pizza place, you have a massage place, you got a burger place way straight in the back, got another restaurant there, and this is he's got a pool table in there. They've got a band up front. I've got a fish and fries, fish and chips there, and my girlfriend had a couple pork chop steaks, I believe that's what they were, and served fairly quickly. Didn't take very long. Look at the bar. Nice, friendly place. Nice neighborhood bar. That's what many of you are looking for. So if you're in that area or take a trip over there, it's worth stopping in anyway. And this is out in the food court area. You've got a hamburger shop just to the left of me. You've got a pizza place across over there. You've got another restaurant. I think there's a place that sells Indian food. With sit down, lots of places to sit down as well. Jumping over to Google Maps, got Cebu City, got Mandawi City up here. And if you take the old bridge, the two-lane bridge across here, and just keep going straight, not so far down here, you come to, at this corner, you come to Gaisano Grand Mall. And that is the corner that you turn left on. Of course, if you're coming from this direction, you turn right at that corner. But anyway, let's zoom in here and give you a little bit better. Here's the Mactan Cebu International Airport, and zoom in here. Just for reference point, this is the Collinwood subdivision down here, if you go this direction. And this kind of colored in tannish area is the Gaisano Grand. And so if you turn on this street, and it's under construction, been under construction, different portions of this, for a couple of years, I think. really taking their time with that. Anyway, come down here about, I don't know, half a block or so, and there's a little bit of parking in this here area here. And so you got Eddy's Restobar, you've got a number of other places in here. You got a massage place in here, got a pizza place, and clicking over to the more realistic shows the buildings and such. So this is Gaisano Grand, and you've got Basak Mergundan Road here, which is the main road, comes off the old two-lane bridge. And this area right in here, let's try zooming in there again. So that's what you have. You've got a little bit of parking space in here, a couple other businesses. Eddys is over down here in the corner. Then you got a hamburger stand here, and over here you had two or three different restaurants with seating, and quite a few expats, foreigners come in there and visit the area. So interesting place. So after a long day at the beach, we stopped in there, had a couple drinks and dinner, and anyway, we're walking back to get a taxi to head back to Cebu City, and we were in there early enough where there weren't a lot of customers, but there were quite a few coming in the last 30 minutes or so before we left, and we left right at as it was getting dark, a little bit before 6 p.m. I think. This was actually a two-lane road, a one-lane road that with traffic going in both directions, and you don't have people directing traffic. People just they go from one direction for a while, and then the other side goes for a while. They just cooperate, and it works here in the Philippines, amazingly. I do a video like this occasionally because I get a lot of requests. Where do I go to meet expats? Where do I go to meet other foreigners? Because a lot of people, after they're here for a while, they miss that conversation, same culture, same language, all that type of thing, that kind of conversation. And this is one of those places. There were quite a number of expats, foreigners, and I've met people from, and I've found, the average person doesn't move halfway around the world. A lot of interesting people here in the Philippines, foreigners here in the Philippines. Pops at Eddy's Restobar also shares some of that space with another restaurant as well. Anyway, thanks for coming along. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.